waiting for the
Our first
yes.
destination.
And of course, to our cast, we would like to give to you the message of
Pag istorya po, kay mingaw ka ay.
message of the cross needs to be preached. The cross is
What is that?
incorporated in the message of the gospel.
This is
Just what Apostle Paul had admonished
vegetable
in his
vendor.
epistle at 1 Corinthians chapter 1 verse 18,
Yes.
for the preaching of the
Ang
cross
palaya,
to those who perish,
what
it
is?
is foolishness.
Ang
But
palaya,
to them who are saved, it is the power
sorry,
of God.
that's only
That's only for tonight.
Kinds of nature, amen.
Saging what?
Portrayed
saging
in
carnaval.
the
Oh my God.
Here's the poking dollar.
The Jews,
Oh my God, I'm
to
fucking
the
dollar.
Israelites, they don't believe
What is
Christ,
that building?
crucified Christ.
Yeah.
For them, si Cristo ay ang
Never mind.
Never mind. Nice building, never mind.
You know this?
To those who do not believe God, to the atheists,
That?
or even to the agnostics, you know, the agnostics,
Um,
they believe that there is
symbol
God, but
of
they don't know God.
double
Yan
Dorian
ang
Castle.
Muslim
What is that?
No? And
Durian.
then, to the believers, it is the power. And it is the wisdom of God.
Aromatic.
1 Corinthians 1:23.
Unsa to?
The Jews,
Come with
it is the
me.
same God.
Aromatic king of fruit daw ng durian, oy.
Okay, go for it.
King of fruits.
But to the Jews
Ngit-ngit man.
who believe
Oh.
Christ, it's the power and the wisdom of God. Praise the
Yeah.
Lord.
Do you know what this? Do you know this?
No, no. No, no, no.
No?
No, no, no.
Sorry.
What is that? You don't know also? Very nice.
Oh, this. I know this.
Bayo-bayo?
No.
Bayo-bayo yan, oy.
Yes.
No, oh yes. Which is which? Yes, no.
Or.
Or, wow.
This. Do you know this?
Chair?
No.
No again?
Yeah.
What is that?
This is a rocking chair.
I thought it is a wheelchair because there is a wheel beside sideways.
Marami na matay sa to.
Okay.
Okay, come with me.
Parang maling akala. Why is people in Davao talking Tagalog?
That's because, you know, we don't know how to talk Filipino. Tara.
Aha. Nitibo. We are in the jungle, I think. Unsa to? Unsa to? Unsa taraw to?
Tartanoy. Ano pa ko? Nakong video ba doon? We're now here in, do you know this?
Yes. Waling-waling.
Oh, correct! Come here.
What can you say about waling-waling?
Waling-waling?
Wow.
Waling-waling for me is,
Diri ko kay hayag para klaro ka. Sige, haling-waling. Yap.
waling-waling for me.
Define ng waling-waling.
Waling-waling is W-A-L-I-N-G. W-A-L-I-N-G. Waling-waling.
Waling-waling.
Is kind of
Um,
no comment.
no comment, thank you.
Oh, there's a service here.
Service? Kotse o truck? Jeep?
You're such a loser.
Pero ano ang sabi ng kasulatan sa 1 Peter chapter 2 verse 21, siya na walang sala ay inaring may sala dahil sa atin. At dinala niya doon
Sige na,
sa ibabaw
tuking-tuking
ng
na.
krus ang ating kasalanan.
Diri ko.
We are now entering
Ang
the
krus ay
people's
makapangyarihan
part.
sa mga nangaliligtas. Subalit ang
Why?
kapangyarihan
Why this place why do you call this place People's Park?
Because it is,
People's Park?
no, it is called People's Park.
Because of the people in the parking area?
No, because this one is
Di man maklaro.
pala paalala. I'm sorry, nabutan ako ng English.
It says no littering in our park.
This
Okay.
means that,
Dili magsulat-sulat og letters.
yes, because,
No littering daw.
Simple Park is an algebra.
Algebra. Very good. Definite answer, ha?
Yes.
Wow.
Do you know this? Paalala.
Reminders.
Ayaw maki ang tanong.
You tamak-tamak na tanom.
Don't do this. Don't,
Don't.
children. Huwag yung gayahin sa bahay to.
Unya, nata na. Ihinay-hinay para maklaro.
Yung gayahin sa bahay. Ay, putol-putol, malira nila.
Dili, uy.
Children, paalala. Huwag niyong gayahin sa bahay to.
Op, ay sakay ako video. Oh.
Ano na,
Ayaw tamaki ang tanom. Tanaw na to yung gibuhat. Oh.
Come with me.
Low violators.
No.
The tour guide is a low violators. Good example of
Violator.
low violators. Ayaw pagsulod daw. Oh.
Ay, sige, go. Come with me. Come with me.
Ayaw,
Park have many
ayaw
paalala.
pagsulod
Oy,
dinhing dapita.
People's Park have many paalala.
Yup.
It's like this. You read it?
Yep.
You read it?
Yes.
Read this, please.
Ayaw pagsulod dinhing dapita.
Sorry. Come with me, come with me. I'm here na. Dito ka. I'm here na.
Otro, kay wa maklarong pagsulod. Okay. Go inside.
I'm here na. I'm here now.
What a shame.
Cat.
Very shame. Shame na shame.
Come with me, come with me. Do you know this? Do you know this?
It is a flower.
What kind
Flower.
of flower?
Sunflower. Sunflower, and you pick it up.
And you
Without-
know that is bawal-bawal, huh?
Yaha, bawal-bawal. Low violators.
I'm such a loser. Do you know this?
I am more.
Ayaw mo.
Try it again, try it again.
Ay. Oh, you see?
The people are laughing.
They're laughing at me. Oh my God.
They're such a loser.
Such a loser.
Asa man ni paingon siya, miss?
Yes. Come with me.
Okay. Wala lagi tayo din ani ganina.
Welcome to Sunken Garden. Oh my God, no flower.
Sunken Garden.
This is
Be.
Sunken Garden.
Stop sa nato ha.